In this video today, I'm going to show you the best CRM for roofing contractors. So if you're a roofing contractor, listen up closely, watch this video, and you will see why this is a really good CRM for your business. Okay, so the first thing that I want to say is this platform or this CRM is called GoHighLevel. It's not just a CRM. This is a disclaimer. Although this is a video about CRM, it's also a video about GoHighLevel as a platform and what it can do to your roofing business. Okay, so this is really cool. I will show you a couple of ways how to use GoHighLevel. There are hundreds of different ways how you can use this platform for your business, and these are just some of the ways that I'm about to show you. Okay, so obviously the first thing that we want to do is we want to switch to our sub account here. Now, a sub account literally represents a business, so it's like a account within GoHighLevel that represents your business, and this is where you can pretty much set this up for your business. Again, we have a 30-day free trial link below in the description. You can set this up for your business for free for 30 days, and you can test this out. Okay, so as you can see, the opportunity section, this is the CRM where you can actually go and you can create your own pipelines. Okay, this is what I always like to show first. So you can go and you can create pipelines, but this is not the most powerful part of GoHighLevel, right? So obviously this is a CRM, right? These are the stages, so you can add contacts in there automatically and manually. And again, these are the stages that can be automated as well, which is really cool. So one thing that GoHighLevel is really good at is if you're like a roofing contractor, how hard it is to missing a lot of leads, right? Roofing leads. So what you can do is you can have a lead capture, instant follow-up, and booked inspections. So most roofers lose 30 to 50% of leads just because they reply too late, right? So this CRM fixes that automatically. So in GoHighLevel, what you can do is you obviously can go and you can create a website. So by the way, we've done a lot of tutorials on this, but you can kind of check those out on the channel. But what you can do is you can go here and you can create a website with AI. So you can simply go build with AI, and this is where you can kind of go and create a website with AI. So as you can see right here, we have the loading screen, and then we have here the website. So name of the website can be, roofing ABC. Let's say that's the name. And here, as you can see, we're generating the prompt. So you don't even have to be, someone that knows technology. This is really, really important. You can kind of build the prompt your own way. And as you can see here, we can go and we can, select what we want to do. Like here, since we don't have a roofing, we'll go other and we'll just go roofing. Okay. And then goal of the website is to generate leads. Okay. Target audience is going to be individuals or consumers. And what are you offering? Here you can just put something like, for you, again, you can put other and then you can put your offering if you want. So for example, free roof inspection. Okay. So what you can do is you can customize this as well if you want, or you can just hit generate, and this will generate a full-on website for you. And from that website, all of the Facebook and Google leads will go directly into one inbox in GoHighLevel. I will show you how that looks like. I will also show you how you can automate, a part of your business here. So here I'm not only showing you the CRM, I'm also showing you how you can pretty much make more money with your business and never miss a roofing lead again. So let me just go here and let me pause this until we get this website here. So as you can see right now, we have the entire website for free. So we got an entire website for free. And then what we can do is we can set up a form. So this form, you can click here to add a new form. So as you can see, we can edit the form by going here. Okay, and this is the form builder. So this is really cool because what you can do is you can create a form for your business. Okay, and let's say this is the form. We're going to be calling it roofing form. And once you save this, okay, what you can do is you can create an automation that will save your leads in your CRM. Okay, so now we save this. We go here and we type in roofing form, as you can see. And this is right here on the website. Now, obviously, we can make it even better. We can adjust it. We have the styles here as well, stuff like that. We can do that if we want. But let's say we want to save this. We can publish this as well. We can. It's already SEO optimized, which is really cool. So as you can see, this CRM is not only a CRM, it's also a website builder. We just built a website within like 5 minutes, which is really cool. So we go back and we go to automations, okay? And in the automations, again, I just want to show you the entire thing, right? So create workflow, start from scratch, and what you can do, so the trigger in this case is going to be a form. So form submitted. Now, here we can add a filter, a form is, and then here we can just add a roofing form. This is the form that we've talked about on the website. We hit save. You can also add multiple different triggers. Like for example, here you can add Facebook lead form submitted. If you're running lead form ads, which I would recommend if you're someone in the roofing niche, you can run like roofing lead form ads, and any people that go through that form and your website form will go into this automation, okay? So in this case, as you can see, we can say, okay, page is, and then we can also connect to a Facebook page. I will show you how to do this as well. But here, what you can do is you can obviously go and you can send an SMS, right? So you can add a wait note here for, let's say, 1 day. So by the way, if, or not 1 day, 1 hour or 30 minutes, actually, not really that much. So by the way, one thing to recommend is if you're doing Facebook lead form, make sure that you don't have a wait node. The quicker you can reply to lead, the better, and more conversions you will have. So let's say we're doing this just for this particular case where, we are, getting the lead, and then we can add a wait node. And then what we can do is we can have an SMS. So send an SMS, as you can see. So immediately you're sending them your SMS. Now here you can adjust, like for example, hey, contact, first name. Again, I will not really be here for a long time. I just want to show you how everything works. And this is how you can set up everything, okay? And what you can do is you can also add, a lead to a pipeline. So for example, from the trigger, when a form is submitted, every single lead will go into the pipeline, okay? So what you can do is you can adjust the pipeline here in the opportunity section. This is a CRM again, and this is where you can create your own pipeline. So if you're someone in the roofing niche, you can create a roofing pipeline here. And here you can adjust, let's say, form submitted, right? Contacted, proposal sent, closed. Again, you can adjust these stages however you want. You can even add multiple different stages on top of that if you want. So you can hit create. Now, once you create this, you will have a roofing pipeline here. You go to opportunities, and this is where you can select that roofing pipeline, as you can see. And here, as you can see, anytime a form will be submitted, the lead will be right in here, okay? So that's something you can also do. In the automation, so this is, again, just a couple of things. And by the way, if you want to conversate with leads and chat with leads, you can also chat with them right here. Also, if you want to set up a phone number, I will also show you that in a second. But one thing I didn't show you in the automation side of things, if you go start from scratch here what you can do is you can add a pipeline stage changed. So whenever a pipeline stage is changed, you can send that lead something, right? You can send an SMS to that lead or whatever. So as you can see, we can go here in pipeline, and we can go and type roofing pipeline. So whenever a trigger in the pipeline stage is changed, right, then we can send an SMS to that lead. So in this case, you can also adjust which stage. So a pipeline stage is, let's say, form submitted. So when there is a form submitted, this automation will go and send, for example, an SMS right here, okay? And we can hit save. We can obviously add the SMS. We can write with AI too, which is really cool. So that's something you can do. You also have templates for these automations, so you don't have to necessarily build this all alone. Like for example, you can select from template, and most local businesses, especially roofers, they get a lot of missed calls. So you have a missed call text back, which is really cool. This is a way to not lose a lot of revenue and collect that money on the table that you have. So for example, people are calling you, but you're not answering. they get a text back, and you get a notification that you can call them back. And everything is inside GoHighLevel. Plus, you also have a GoHighLevel app where you can call people from, which is really cool. Now here, if we go to settings, we can go to integrations, and this is where you can connect, Facebook, whatever you want. As you can see, you can connect it right here for the Facebook lead forms, if that's the case. And you can also go to phone system, and you can connect your phone right here, which we did create a tutorial on all of these, but this is just a rough overview of how you can use this particular CRM, which is not just a CRM, for your roofing business. So if you want, check out our 30-day free trial link down below for GoHighLevel. If you want to test this out for yourself to see if this is even something you want to try out or test, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.